What's up, guys? So it's just me, Mr. Ron. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Lovin Keto, Ron's weight loss journey, and I'm Ron. If you're new to my channel, could you please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel? It helps other people know when I post the latest video like this one. And before we get started, I'd like to state I'm not a medical doctor. I don't make any medical claims. This is all based on my own personal journey and my own personal research. So we're going high tech today. I got table set up and my nice green screen in the back. So my wife gave me this, put it up on this so you can see it, this Pyrex set for Christmas. I haven't even opened it up yet other than just the this, so I really don't know what's here. But the reason why I wanted this particular set was because it'll help me out with the keto cooking that I'm going to continue doing in 2022. So, and I got a lot to talk about over the next couple of videos. So we're going to open it up together and see what we got in here. So let's put this to the left and put this on the floor over there in my bed. So we have a small little clear bowl over here. It's all clear and it's really heavy duty material. And then you have lids, and this is going to be perfect to cook keto bread or maybe make a small chicken lasagna or something like that. And then we have a couple of small different size bowls, a clear one. Well, they're all clear. One's a little size up bowl. And we're going to take it all out together and show you what we got. And we got some lids, some plastic lids. Another good size bowl. Another lid for that particular bowl. This lid over here is for this bowl over here. And we got the two lids for this bowl. Probably another smaller bowl. So she bought this at Kohl's for me for Christmas here, and I've been eyeballing this for quite a while, and I thought it'd be perfect for what I want it for, which is, you know, so when you're doing recipes, it's nice to have the clear bowl, and you can show people what's through it and how the exact measurements when you're measuring out recipes. We got a few more bowls to get out of here, and then we're gonna find room for them in a closet and in a kitchen cabinet later. There's another one. So I'm just I don't know what's in here, guys. This is the first time I'm doing this. There's another bigger bowl, which is really great. Okay. And we have, when I get all these bowls all set up, I'm going to just move the camera in position to show you guys. Okay, then this is the last piece to go, so probably this cover there. Okay, so let me put all this in here because it's so that's another lid. Remember, this is the first time I'm opening this up here to show you guys what's in it. Now, I don't get paid to do this video, but this is so it's called a Pyrex Store It. That's what it's called. Okay, I'll put that down because it's got to go with the rubbish now for the recyclable, and move the table in position here. And I'm gonna flip the camera down a little bit there when I get the bowls all set up. So you got these nice plastic lids that go over that are perfect for storage into your refrigerator, and I really love it. Like I said, it's glass, the lid's microwavable, everything's microwavable, and it's dishwasher friendly. And yeah, and this is this little bigger bowl right here. This is the squared out bowl. Yeah, let me pop this lid on it. Let's see. Let's see what I'm doing here. It snaps right on, very easy. There we go. And if it's like I said, it's a nice little bowl for like a lasagna, and perfect, you know. And you have all these other bowls. I'm just what I'm going to do at this point with the particular bowls, I want to see where the lids go. Put the lids underneath them to show you what we have. It's two good sized bowls there. These lids go here with the smaller, obviously smaller ones. This goes with that, kind of like matching up a small peg with a round hole here. Okay, we'll figure out where these go. I got that obviously goes in that one. This is a good size little dish if you're doing like you want to make small cake or something like that for keto. Just about any storage. And we'll pop this lid back off of it. They're quite strong, these lids, by the way. So this here, and then you get this particular one. It goes that way, they can go that way, they can go there, and you have these two about the same. So yeah, like that, like that. This is just the little instruction booklet that came with it. You don't really need that because they pretty much tell you how to handle everything. And so we'll put it like in a little line up here. And then I'll count how many we have. So we have, I'm going to put the directions in here. When the directions here, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You got 11 bowls in this set. And like I said, they're Pyrex. They're, you know the brand with the cooking measurement cups. They're really, really sturdy. And really happy and excited now. I can start doing some really good keto recipes that I've been wanting to do for a while. This particular one will be perfect for keto bread, 90-second keto bread in the oven or the microwave. And the next size up would be for probably, I'm going to start using that for chicken lasagna maybe. And then you got the little bowls, so we can use these for measuring food and stuff, and we got extra in case we break them. And anyways, she bought that at Kohl's, like I said, and I really wanted this really, really bad. I'm going to check the price here. The price is still on the box. She paid $59 for that, and I mean, you can't go wrong. So what I'm going to do is I'll put the link below the video and grab out a photograph of what I have, and you know, put these on the bed so I can film out another recipe for today. And I want to talk today about a few things going forward. But yeah, how you like my nice new sweater that my wife got me? It's a hoodie. It fits me good. It's a 1X. It's a large, not a 1X, by the way. And it fits true to the size. It's really, really warm for inside the house. It's light, and I got a cool spring day. If you go into church or something like that, and you don't want to wear a heavy sweater or a jacket, this is perfect. And I thought maybe this would be perfect when I work in the grocery store, walk around with it on with my name tag, and especially when I'm picking in the frozen and dairy section here, where when I'm reaching in and it's cold all the time, grabbing all those frozen and refrigerated items. And so I'm going to wear this Friday there, and hopefully they don't have an issue with this, but I don't see that well. But you know, as long as there's no offensive language on your shirt or anything like that they would have an issue with you, I'm pretty sure they would be fine with it. But I'm gonna let you guys go. Let me know what you guys think about this amazing set. I'm gonna put the camera over it just to show you what was in this particular set, and then going forward, this is what we're going to be using for our recipe filming, and I'm really excited about it and can't wait to share some recipes with you. I've been wanting to do a 90-second keto bread from the Low Carb Loves recipe that I was watching this morning. Now, I made that many, many times, and she had a bowl similar to this. In fact, I think it was this bowl. And what she did was she did it in 2 batches, but I'm going to do mine in 1 because this is the size that I can use. And I'm going to fill this up with the bread mixture, and then I'm going to bake it off in the oven. She did it in the microwave. We're going to do it in the oven, and then we're going to cut it in half, and then cut it in half again. And then we should get 4 slices out of that. And just basically a few ingredients is almond flour, eggs, and baking powder. And I think she put oil in, but I'm not sure. But I have the recipe link below the video. And yeah, so we'll definitely try that. Like I said, this is the perfect little size set from Pyrex, and I'm really happy and excited to share that with you. So let me get up at this point, and I'm going to scroll the camera over here to show you what I'm talking about, because you're just watching me talk and explain to you what I had in here. And like I said, again, I'm very, very excited about that. And like I said, there was everything we got this year for Christmas was perfect. Because last year we didn't get it Christmas, and it was just the way it was with the money last year. But now that I'm working, and who knows, I might even go full time. I'm not sure yet, but you know, I'm continuing to feel really, really good, and my weight's coming off, and you know, I had a little bit of a downer this holiday week. We got one more holiday day to go, and I want to continue on my weight loss journey and for next year. And we were talking about it with Steffi Newman this morning away from her chat room in instant message, and thinking about going back to the beef, butter, and bacon and eggs. Do that for a month there and two. I did like it. It's very restrictive. There's very little carbs, so and you can eat as much of that as you want. You stop and you can eat 2 or 3 times a day, 4 times a day, but you're just basically eating beef, butter, bacon, and eggs. So make sure you have plenty of hard-boiled eggs cooked up. If you want regular cooked eggs over your ground beef or a steak, that's fine. You can have all that, and you don't have to worry about counting. But I'm gonna try that. Like, I was talking to Steffi this morning about doing maybe ketovore, but I don't know. I think I'd much rather do the beef, butter, and eggs. So other than being restricted with the carbs has always got me in trouble in the past. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go. Remember, you guys are amazing. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe to this channel. And if you like this video and my new setup, you let me know. But I'm going to get up and I'm going to just scroll the camera over the video real quick. I'm going to scroll the video camera over the table really quick so you can see all the nice stuff that came with this set. There was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 bowls that came with them. And they all fit within the bowl, so they're easy for storage, which is really a plus because when you don't have a lot of kitchen cabinet kind of space like we don't have. But yeah, this is good. This is great for cooking, and I thank my wife for that very, very much, because even if this is all she would have bought me this year, I would have been perfectly fine with that. But she bought me this nice sweater and men's electric razor, which I really wanted. And even if I would have gotten just a razor, I would have been perfectly fine with that. But you know, we haven't had too much of a Christmas the last 2 or 3 years because of our money situation. But now that I'm back to work now, you know, the extra money's been helping. As long as my rent and Social Security don't have a problem with it, as soon as that happens, then I got to really think about it, because, you know, this is what we use to pay bills. And if I got hurt in the workplace and I couldn't work anymore, then what am I going to do? I'm going to have to reapply for Social Security, and then it's going to be, you know, it's going to be that. I don't want to get into that situation. But yeah, I'll let you guys go. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel.